first tractor trailer load of shavings is supposed to come today, and we had this shavings from a carpenter friend that we thought, well, we'll just make a little bit of a better ramp for him. Maybe he'll back right in with it, and we'll have less to move then later on. My son's just doing this, dumping it and packing it and trying to make a better path for him to come down on. Oh, it's dusty. I'm going to have to get some masks for handling shavings. Got the milk line up above here into the robot room. Got a frost-free tap here beside the door to the robot room. We're washing our boots off before we go in there. Oh. Oh. It's all there? Okay. Looks like all the electrical's still getting done here. They're getting finished up before the Conestoga guys come back. We're bringing up power up this way here. I'm putting a box here. Huh. And on this side too. Get the pipe up in the hallway.
Helps kids like me get mental health support at their local children's hospital. Make a donation to Family of Support today at your nearest Sawdust.
Yeah, you're popular. Getting my elbow on there. Huh. Wiring here for this panel in here. This panel here will run our fans and our curtains. We'll talk to the weather station and the probes that are around the barn. So we can stand here and we can look out and see the curtains, most of the curtains from this room. If we needed to run it manually. It's supposed to be automatic, but we'll have to set it up the way we want it to, so. All cleaned up. They got the epoxy out of the tray. John came over from Gingrich Construction and he cleaned that up for me, so that looks better. So this stainless steel guy is putting this pipe together, and everything is custom made. He welds on the ends and he cuts them to the right length, and he does all of that in this trailer, welding and cutting and everything that he does. And it's kind of cool. It's just yeah, everything's set up in there for what he needs. He's got his pipe, he's got all the clamps, and he's got the ends that he puts on and he welds them on. So yeah, thought that's pretty cool. I'll not stand on them. I think you appreciate it. Huh. We used to have these working too. Oh, I had to put it. Oh, really? You just see when they installed this stuff, you just think, well, it's pretty well done, right? And then there's all more stuff out here yet. Oh, there's so much more involved than you think. That's where they're gonna bring the milk line through into the utility room. Here it is on this side. All finished. Everything's done inside there, so we can put the panels on. Ready for the cows.
Here comes the first load of shavings for the new barn. Here's John William. Here's the shavings ramp John William made. Because he's amazing and talented. So the truck thinks he can get all the way to the back. I'm gonna get run over. looks like what?
No.
Oh yeah.
I have no clue what is pushing that out.
I thought it was maybe like a walking floor.
Yeah. I don't know how that works. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like empty.
Yeah.
So you can get through the front of the trailer into here, and then you can shovel the last couple inches out of here.
Off he goes into, not quite the sunset, but off into the rain clouds. Here's Tom William again.
Well, I guess you can take your bike home now.
Okay.
That's all.